Namaskar students and welcome. Children, let me tell you one thing. I will explain you all the concepts in simple English language. So please stay with us till the end of this video and you will understand everything. Now the third sum, children. These fractions are in mixed form. These are mixed fractions. So we will have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. And then we will solve this sum. So let's convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions first. We know the rule, into and plus. Into and plus. We start from here and we take a round like this. Same we will follow here also. Into and plus. Let's convert it now. Into plus. Into and plus. Now 1 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. Denominator is not going to change. Next one. Minus 3 into 6 plus 5. See, 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3 plus 2 upon 3. We have written like this. We have only multiplied. 3 6s are 18 plus 5 upon 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6. So children, these are our fractions. Now that we have got the fractions, we will subtract them in our normal way. Let's start. See the two denominators, children. Ask yourself two questions. Are the denominators same? No. Are they coming in common table? Yes. They are coming in the table of 3. They are coming in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So this one, children, I will only multiply this first fraction with 2. So my both denominators will become 6. If I multiply this one with 2, up also I have to do the same. That's a rule. Minus. I am not going to do anything to this fraction because it is already 6. And when I am multiplying 2 here, both the denominators are going to become 6. 5 2s are 10. 10 upon 6 minus. Now we've got same denominator. Now we can subtract them by taking a common denominator. Let's do it. 10 minus 23 upon 6. 10 minus 23. Rules of integers. What do the rules of integers say? Same sign add, different sign subtract. 10 minus 23, small number minus big number. 23 minus 10 will become 13, but the sign of big number is minus. And answer always gets the sign of big number. So we will give the answer of big number here. Minus 13 would be the answer. Because 10 minus 23 we are going to subtract only. We will get 13, but 13 should get the sign of big number. minus 13 upon 6. That's your answer. Now if you want to convert it into a mixed fraction, you can do that also, children. How we normally do it, I will show in simple way, children. Six I am going to write down like that only. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. This number is 13. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12 plus 1 is 13. And it's having a minus sign. Keep a minus sign before the fraction. And we are done. Okay. So this is your answer. You can also convert it into mixed fraction there. Now let's move on to the fourth sum. Now children, the fourth sum is also in the same format. It is also in a mixed fraction form. So we have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions and then we will subtract them. So let us begin. Into and plus. We know the technique now, children. Minus, into and plus again. Here into, here plus. We know how we move in a circle. From where we start. 4 into 2 plus 1. Denominator will be same. 3 into 3 plus 1. Denominator would remain same. So 4 twos are 8 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 threes are 9 plus 1 upon 3. 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2, 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. See children, now we have got our sum in a fraction form. Now we are going to subtract them. Hopefully children, all of you have understood till here. You all have understood all this. See what we have done. Now we will subtract them. See the denominators. Ask yourself these two questions. Are the denominators same? No. Are they coming in same table? Are they coming in common table? No. Both answers are no. Then we are going to cross multiply. We will multiply 2 with 3 and 3 with 2. This 2 I am multiplying with 3 into 3, up also into 3, minus 10 upon 3. This 3 I am multiplying with 2, up also 2. Now 9 threes are 27, 2 threes are 6, 10 twos are 20, 3 twos are 6. We'll take a common denominator now. See, we've got a same denominator. Now we'll take a common denominator and we will subtract them. 27 minus 20 upon 6. 27 minus 20 is 7. 7 upon 6. This is also improper fraction, children. What is an improper fraction? When the numerator is big and the denominator is small, then we call it as an improper fraction. And If a fraction is improper fraction, then we can convert it into a mixed fraction. You might be wondering, children, some we are converting and some we are not converting. So see children, here also 7 is big. So what we are going to do? So what we can do? We can convert this into mixed fraction also. 6 ones are 6. Plus 1 is 7. So that's your mixed fraction form. So here we complete with our second question of the practice set. I hope you all have understood everything. I hope that you all enjoyed the lesson, and we will continue the next session in the next video. Thank you for watching till the end.